Welcome to this quick guide on how to allow Facebook to access your location on PC with the latest update. If you've ever been curious about why location permissions matter or how to toggle them, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps so you can get back to sharing and discovering with accurate local context. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. If you're using a browser-based Facebook experience, make sure you're fully signed into the account you want to adjust. On occasion, Facebook's layout can look a little different depending on updates, but the core path remains the same. At the top of the page, look for three dots arranged in a horizontal row. These dots serve as a quick menu for settings and additional options. Click or tap on those three dots to reveal more choices. This is your doorway to the finer controls Facebook offers for your account. From the menu that appears, select App Info. This section is where Facebook groups its various permissions and settings related to how the app interacts with your data. Once you're in App Info, open Settings. You'll find this within the same area, often toward the left side of the panel or listed as a straightforward option in the flow. Inside Settings, navigate to Permissions. Here you'll see a list of different kinds of data Facebook can request. You're aiming to adjust location access, so focus on that permission area. Next to Location, look for an option labeled More Settings Permissions. Click into that to expand the full range of location options available for this app. Now you're at the crucial moment. Next to Location, choose Allow. This change grants Facebook permission to access your location while you're using the app on your PC. If you prefer to limit how often Facebook sees your location, you can choose alternatives like while using the app or never, depending on what your privacy preferences are. But for most location-specific features and local suggestions, Allow provides the most seamless experience. That's all there is to it. With these steps completed, Facebook can fetch your location data to improve suggestions, check-ins, and local content, all while you stay in control of when and how this information is shared. If you have any questions or want tips on managing other permissions, drop a comment and I'll help you customize your settings further.